Chevrolet here at Unique, especially in classics. Good year, 1966 Chevelle Super Sport two-door hardtop. And yes, it's a true SS, 138 VIN car. Be able to tell them the data tag also. Speaking of data tag, true 4-speed console car. Aztec bronze paint and bronze interior. So vinyl buckets in it. So this one still looks similar to the way it would have been produced back in 1966. Let's take a look at this front grille, bumper, chrome. I want you to see the headlight surrounds. Paint on this car shows well. Now, there are a few little touch-ups or blemishes I want to point out. Little spot like that where you get a few touch-ups, and there was a couple real small spots just where it had bubbled. Wanted to point those out, but overall, hey, get in this car, drive it, have some fun. That 396 underneath the hood, paired up with that 4-speed, take it out on the road. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see that VIN plate, you can check out the cowl tag. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. It's riding on Vision chrome 5-spoke wheels. Look up and down the length of this passenger side. You can see nice reflection in that paint. If you're more of a stock rally wheel guy, talk to your sales consultant. This car will have both wheels with it if you're more interested in the rally style wheels, FYI. There's your bucket seats, center console, very stock looking interior, FYI. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This car will come with a car cover, and there was a Holley car bonnet switched out for a Edelbrock. New Edelbrock car bonnet. And that is sitting in a Wyand intake manifold. And we'll check out that engine bay here just shortly. If you want to see the still pictures of it, check out the underside of this car and interior trunk. Still pictures are at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And now look up and down the driver's side of this car. Again, those long panels looking good. And again, that paint has a nice finish on it. Really pops with that chrome. Just a few of those imperfections kind of pointed out. One you don't have to be afraid to get in and drive. All right, let's check out this interior. Cool color combination. And the seats are pretty much free of any rips, tears, holes that I noticed. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Let you hear it run. Fires right up. I was playing around a little earlier. Wipers worked, and I had the radio power up, but did not get a station as far as reception. The antenna's not pulled up very far, and it is indoors here, so it may work out better for you outside. Blower fan works. Dash is in nice shape. It's one of those cars you can take to your roll-ins, cruise-ins, any of your local shows. So it'll definitely turn some heads. The way it looks and sounds, door closes, fits nicely. Nothing crazy over the top as far as exhaust. Nice low rumble. No big opie cam, anything like that. Just good sound at 396. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. Let's get this hood pop once you check out the engine bay. We'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, foot open. It's at 396. High-end intake, once again. That'll drop the carb underneath there. It is a new carb. Holly valve covers dress up on there. Otherwise, just a simple, nice looking engine bay. Feeder hose is still intact. It's like a newer master cylinder back there. Does have headers on it. True 1966 Chevelle SS 2-door hardtop. Nice stance, great color. What a look. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. First, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.